In this video, we will show you the 10 best places to visit in New York, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Despite the natural beauty and charm of New York State, it remains firmly in the shadow of the city with which it shares its name. When somebody says the words New York, it conjures images of skyscrapers, shopping, busy streets, and yellow cabs, but the state of New York has so much to offer in addition. Canyons, lakes, mountains, creeks, rivers, and waterfalls provide some of the most beautiful terrain Mother Earth has to offer. The vast Adirondack Mountains offer some of the United States' most tantalizing scenery. The city of New York certainly has a lot to offer, but there is also so much to see and experience in New York State. Our list of the 10 best places to visit in New York combines the best of nature and urban sites to provide a definitive list of activities in the Empire State. Here are our top 10 picks. Number 10. Ausable Chasm. Billed as the Grand Canyon of the East, the Ausable Chasm has formed over 15,000 years ago during an ice age. The spectacular terrain that remains is perfect for rafting, bike riding, rock climbing, and rappelling. There are also tours available for those looking to learn more about the forming of this spectacular natural phenomenon. Number 9. Coney Island. Tracing its roots back to the mid-1800s when the city's inhabitants were becoming increasingly restless during the hot summer months in the city, this famous island became a popular resort area for the working class by the arrival of the 20th century, before falling out of favor and becoming a more rough and ready party destination, referred to as some as Sodom by the Sea. The area slowly improved its reputation during the 20th century and added a plethora of family rides. Many of the park's attractions are still open to ride today, including roller coasters and the Wonder Wheel. The island also has plenty of popular places to eat and hosts an annual mermaid parade. Number 8. Governor's Island. For 200 years, this former military outpost was off-limits to the public. However, it is now one of New York's most popular seasonal attractions. The island served as a military fort throughout the Revolutionary War, and was the takeoff point for Wilbur Wright's flight around the Statue of Liberty in 1909. Free ferry trips are available to the 172-acre oasis, which offers a lush 8-acre picnic area and a bicycle path covering the entire perimeter of the island. Yearly events include the popular art festival Figment as well as a number of live concerts and parties. Number 7. Brooklyn Bridge. This New York icon was opened in 1883 and was the world's first steel suspension bridge. Despite its troubled construction, the bridge was instantly popular with artists, writers, and poets, proving to be a superb showcase of urban design. The pedestrian walkway offers great views of Manhattan. Beware of cyclists using the adjacent lanes, however, as they are known to get nasty towards tourists crossing into their designated cycling lane. The two support towers offer views and panoramic histories of the waterfront. Number 6. Central Park. This park in Manhattan serves as a tranquil oasis in every busy city of New York. The densely wooded park is home to several historic and beautiful buildings, such as the whimsical Lookout Point Belvedere Castle and the Ladies' Pavilion, a charming example of 19th-century American art decor. Informative tours of the park are available and events are staged here throughout the year. Number 5. Empire State Building. It is hard to imagine visiting New York without visiting this iconic skyscraper. The 102-story skyscraper is situated in Midtown Manhattan and has an observation deck that provides some of the best views of the city of New York. The Otis elevator in the building shows the current altitude as it ascends instead of showing passing floors. Interestingly, it took the Landmarks Preservation Commission 18 months to restore the building's lobby to its original 1930s design, whereas the building only took 13 months to build. Number 4. Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is one of the most visited natural wonders in the USA and draws millions of tourists every year. The name refers to 3 separate waterfalls: the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. Each minute, around 4 million cubic meters of water cascade from the waterfalls on its way to the nearby Atlantic Ocean. There are plenty of ways to see the falls, including walkways above the water, a boat trip to the bottom, or even an extravagant helicopter ride. Located on the USA-Canada border, Niagara Falls. Number 3. Finger Lakes. These lakes, formed by the impression of a great spirit according to local legend, provide a stunning backdrop for a wide range of outdoor pursuits. The Finger Lakes are made up of some different lakes as well as towns and resorts. The area can get busy during the summer months, but offers a few brilliant hiking trails, which are well worth undertaking. Number 2. The Adirondacks. This scenic range of forest-covered hills is part of the Canadian Shield and reaches a height of 5,345 feet at the highest peak, Mount Marcy. The park is a beautiful place to enjoy nature and various activities, such as canoeing on the lakes and hiking. There are also many lakeside cabins in the park, which are a great place for a relaxing vacation. The Adirondacks are particularly beautiful in fall due to the color of the autumnal trees. Number 1. Statue of Liberty. One of America's, or maybe even the world's, most recognizable landmarks. The statue was completed in 1886 and was a gift to the United States from the people of France. For close-up views of this enormous statue, a ferry trip to Liberty Island will need to be taken. Battery Park also offers great views from afar. No trip to the state of New York is complete without seeing this iconic figure.